The deep inside a forest, there was a pond. Many fishes, crabs, and frogs lived in the pond. There was a happy and peaceful life. Among them lived two beautiful fishes named Rock and Jelly. They were bigger than the other fishes in the pond. They were very proud of their good looks and intelligence. In the same pond lived a frog with his wife. His name was Vicky. The fishes and frogs were also good friends. They all led an undisturbed life. But one day, two fishermen returning from the river in the forest after fishing came across the pond. It was late in the evening, and as usual, all the fishes and frogs were at play. Rock, Jelly, Vicky, and many other birds joined the game. They leaped high into the air and chased each other. Seeing the beautiful scene, the fishermen were amazed and stopped in their tracks.